Today's CALMIT 19 art lesson is Crayon Wax Resist Painting. This is a beautiful example of a crayon wax resist painting. We're using the wax from the crayons and the watercolor, which will resist it, for making a beautiful piece of artwork. Okay, what materials do we need? You can see we're going to use several pictures of tropical fish or sea life. Those are the ones that work best. We're going to use maybe a piece of scrap paper for scrap design. We use the fat markers for making our design. And then we're going to use an 8 by 12 piece of white paper. We're going to use our Crayola crayons. You can see them in the picture here. We need the light colors. We're going to also use the watercolor paint set. I suggest we use the Crayola watercolor set. You can use the small brushes or the thick brushes, and you're going to need a container for your water. Okay, the first step is to draw your picture using the white crayons or a light color like a yellow, and you're going to start to do your design. It's hard to see here because you're drawing with white or a light color on a piece of white paper. Now, when you press hard, you're going to get a good resist. When you press soft pressure, you're going to get a light resist. You can use a combination of both, but be aware what you choose to use. Now, here's some of the designs and patterns that you can come up with. You can see here, this person is getting ready for their pattern. Okay, so we're going to prepare to paint. So you're going to have your watercolor cup there. You're going to get your color. You can see you're going to do long strokes over wherever you put the crayon. Now the darker colors, like the blues or the purples, those will show up brighter, and the lighter colors will show up lighter. You can see here, this little boy is doing his turtle. There's a close-up of what happens with blue. You can see the blue crayon and the resist of the crayon with the watercolor paint. This is a turtle that I made. I used yellow crayon for outlining, and then I did dark colors around it. You can do tropical fish. These are beautiful. You can use all kinds of different blues and purples and whites. And here's another beautiful example. Pick something that's from the sea life for this particular project and just have fun.